In this video, you will learn how to edit or remove text in the copyright area of your Shopify store. I will also demonstrate how to modify it if you have a different theme. My Shopify store is using the craft theme. As you scroll down, you will notice the Powered by Shopify text. Our objective is to eliminate this text and replace it with All Rights Reserved. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Themes and hit Edit Code. Since the copyright section is located at the bottom part of the page, it would be logical to search for a file named Footer. Open the Templates or Sections folder. Click to open the file. Once you have opened it, let's examine the container class that is being used for the copyright text. Right-click on the text and select Inspect. Then, copy the class. On the Edit Code screen, press Ctrl+F to initiate a search, and then paste the class you copied. Now, you'll find the copyright text and Powered by link template tags. Let's remove the Powered by link and add the text All Rights Reserved. Now, if you are using a different theme and cannot find it through the Edit Code option, download your store theme. Use code editors such as Visual Studio or Sublime Text Tools to search for the copyright text area. In this example, I am using Sublime Text Editor. Open a single downloaded file. Press Ctrl+F to search through all the folders. Copy the file path of the downloaded folder. Make the necessary changes and update your Shopify theme. Make sure that you create a backup of your theme before proceeding. Thank you for watching.